In front of me is Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select security, and go a bit lower. Here click on your SIM card, in my case it's Virgin Mobile, and now select change SIM PIN. And here you can smoothly enter the old PIN, tap on OK, and it's time to provide your device with a new one, so just enter the code that you would like to set right now, tap on OK, and then re-enter it just to confirm, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN changed successfully, so it has been already done. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.